Hello, good day friends. So welcome in today's video. Watch me withdraw the sum of 20 USDT on this platform right now. Now this is the wallet I'm withdrawing it to, as you can see rightly displayed on your screen, so you guys can see the amount available in this wallet, right? You can see it's a live account. So let me quickly place withdraw. What I'm going to withdraw, conversion rate to naira should be around 32 USDT. So let me place withdrawal and then I will show you guys how you can get started on this platform. So let me confirm the withdrawal. You can see my withdrawal is successful. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get registered on this platform and the things you need to note and how to everything you need to do to navigate through this platform. Now primarily all you just need to get started is to click down the link in the description box of this video, or you check the comment section. So once you check the comment section, the link to this platform will be pinned on the comment section. Now how do you get started on this platform? Once you get to this interface, what you'll be doing here is that you are going to be doing different level of upgrade. Now the first upgrade here starts with around 9 USDT. Now the one I did for this video to unlock it is around 9 USDT, which is level 1, and there is level 2, level 3 thereabouts, and you can see each of them have their different amounts, and there is a different interest rate that you are going to get after you've done that upgrade. How do you sign up? I'm going to show you at the latter end of this video when I log out. I just actually started this interface so you can see that the withdrawal is real. So let's even go confirm it if our withdrawal has arrived. Remember, this was the amount we had earlier on, right? So let's confirm it. Let's see. If you are seeing my channel for the very first time, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, because I drop different updates on how you can earn. You can see I just refreshed the account and you can see my withdrawal has arrived. How much did I withdraw? I withdraw 20 USDT, and you can see right and direct our money is here. So let me show you guys everything that you need to note on this platform. Now the next thing that you need to do is you need to know how to recharge. Before you know how to recharge, you need to first off come here and you see the different interests, just as I said. If you want to recharge, you are going to click on recharge here. I'm going to tell you guys the minimum amount to withdraw here is around just 1.9, and please note this is not based on referral, because I've had people ask, okay, do I need to refer before I earn? No, you don't need to refer. You will do it and you earn on your own. Now you can make use of TRC. If you want to fund your account, I encourage you to make use of BEP20 network. We have TRC20 network, we have TRX, we have BEP20, we have BNB, but you can make use of any of them. So for me, I love to use BEP20 network address, as you can see, if I want to fund it now. Depending on before you fund this your account, right, before you make a deposit, look on the upgrade that you want to do. So you know the one you are picking, either for level 1 or level 2. You can see it, right? So after you are done funding the account, the next thing you are going to do is that you will click on tax. Tax is the second icon, counting from my right. Counting from my left, there's an arrow pointing at it, and it's the third icon counting from my right. So once you click on it, you are going to, after you are done recharging, you click on tab to click on to complete. Now if you click on to complete, you are going to earn an interest, you understand me, based on the amount that you started up with. So the next thing I do, I will click on to complete. If I click on to complete, you are going to see I am done with this. So you are going to come back every 24 hours interval. You can see there is a countdown timer right now, right? 21 hours after I have completed my task. So if I come back in the next 21 hours, I'm going to withdraw the interest, which is going to be added here. You can see this another extra 1.90. So what I just withdrew now was the cumulative earning. If you have any question, please make sure you ask me in the comment section of this video. Now how do you sign up? Now let me just log out so you can show you guys how to sign up. If you want to check their customer support, you can do it right here. It's very easy. How do you get started on this platform? This site actually looks like, right? I click on sign up. So you need to sign up using your email account. You set up a password and you re-enter password. Now the password for you to place withdrawal is the same password that you use here, or you can just click on register with your phone number here, then you choose your country code, whatever country code you have, and then you register. Now please note, when you want to make withdrawals on this platform, please make use of BEP20. You see I made use of USDT BEP20, right? So please make sure you find a way down to my Telegram channel so you can participate in different token adoption. Now for me, I have already claimed my interest for so value epoch 2. The claim was open today. Now remember, epoch 2 is different from EXP. You can also participate in different. Now this is another platform. It's a gaming platform that will actually earn. There are different ways for you to earn as far as you're on my channel, and we also do different form of trading activities. There are a lot. This is another airdrop POD for horse racing, and you'll be earning different form of money. This is actually a free airdrop, so there's a lot for you to gain on this channel. This channel is meant to be crypto educative, and you can actually earn different form of ways as far as you are positioned right. You can see, let me show you this, guys. Let me show you guys trading for those that have not seen it. Now this is actually a trading that will do on a monthly basis to earn around 2,000 USDT on this platform, on this trading platform. You can see this is around 3,000 USDT. So if I see my channel for the very first time, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.